So we have mushrooms, onions, bell peppers. We got some shrimp, and we have some steak meat, chopped up steak meat. And I think I'm going to turn this into a pasta. So we'll see where this goes from here. I'm making the sauce. Okay, so for some reason my fan is on for my microwave and it won't go off. So we got our pasta with the bacon, chicken, mushrooms, steak. The steak is right there. The shrimp, I already said mushrooms, onions, bell peppers. This is the pasta. So I have not added the pasta in yet. So that's what we're doing next. We're going to add this pasta in. So give me a moment. Okay, so we're back. We added some more cheese on the top of this pasta. And now it's time to stir. So my lighting is really off. Stir this up really good. Stir, stir. Now I gotta add the pasta noodles. So we topped it off with some bacon. Now we gotta add the cheese and then we gotta bake it. So now it's time to bake.